What is up, guys? This is TV, and I'm playing Sword Court. I saw Markiplier play this, and it looked awesome. So let's do this. Alrighty. I thought happier kingdom, lot of choices. Okay. Cool. Hang of it. Cool. This is not what it used to be. One for the 250 people living here. Things have never. Really sure. I'm confident. Let's get started. Okay. Cool. Who are you? Plants are interesting, don't you think? Would you help me open? Sure. What? Oh yeah. Okay.
Oh, I wish to put a show. May I have the funds to do so?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Why did I just give him an evil jester voice? I'm used to playing a different game. Bark, recording wild. Should I try to capture it? No. Bark. It's kind of cute. Maybe you can just leave it be. Yep. I agree. Yee! Magical. And wants to. Yeah. Meow. Guess that's good. Oh yeah. Cool. This show is loved. Cool. Everybody's happy. Day 1 complete. Population -3. Wealth -3. People are happy. The city's growing. That's all I want. Dude, look at the blacksmith's face. He's so adorable. Blacksmith not like to set up shop. Yup. Sorry. It's free, so yeah. Cool. It's slime day. Any present? No. No. Dang it. Whatever. I don't like you. Whatever. Meow. Something magical. Cat from before. This means we're friends. Yeah. I like cats. Meow. Guess we are. Cat's screaming at me. Cool. Oh god, the chicken again. I think it's here to pay a visit. Should we leave it be? Yeah. Oh yeah. I left behind an egg. I just sold it for 30 coins. Hey. Who you at? Which school couldn't It's like only 3 gold, so it's fine. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. Cute. I did too. Complete. Heck yeah. Happiness is going up. Wealth, absolutely nothing. Good and bad, I guess. Who are you? Business proposition for you. Really looked out. Are you interested? Sure. I'll bring you the details soon. Okay. Start a petition to ban pineapples. No, I love pineapples. Yeah, I love pineapples. I don't care if people are unhappy. They're my pineapples. Hi, Grandma. Hey, hello, Sonny. Can I borrow a coin? Sure. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, hey. But yeah, you got my rhythm, bro. Yeah. Yeah. I'm in the groove. Okay. Oh, hi. One of the prisoners that escaped may have offered gold reward. Sure. Someone's bound to find her soon with a sweet reward. Okay. Population 0, happiness up, wealth down, but happy. Alright, that's all I care about. No, I do. How about this? Give me 200 gold, and I'll provide a large ship. No! Perhaps another day we can arrange something. Oh yeah, I forgot the voice I gave him. Maybe one day we'll arrange something. It's not as drums. Construct some more houses. Cost gold, sure. Wow. Nice. What do you want? Alright, gold or spit suck. Saw some more goods. People are sad. No. I still need to resolve the issue. I got no boy. Oh my god, treasury is empty, my lord. Should we use yeah, why not? Higher taxes mean more gold. Yo! Love more gold. Yeah. Name's Mulder. If you want to know the truth about everything, you're gonna want to hire me. Sure. I'm gonna go investigate something. Okay. I'm a good king. Oh, day 4 complete. Nice. They're happy. That's all I want. Okay. Dude, it's not freaking slime day. Screw off. God dang it. I don't have a free present for you. I'm gonna steal the crap. Hey, no thing. Freaking spooky day. Yep. Heck yeah. Let the blood flow. What? Whoa. I just lost a person. So this insane monkey has been running around flinging crap at them. Should put a bounty on it. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's not gonna be happy. I don't care. I do.
A nearby town has asked to form an alliance. Should we use them to beef up our ranks?
Yeah. Sounds good to me.
More swords for us.
I like that guy.
Alright, I do. My lord, we shall pocket a treacherous quest.
Okay.
For the kingdom I shall return to you, my lord.
Oh, Lord, whatever. Yeah, alright. 5 complete, happiness down, don't care. I'm feeling murdering a monkey today. Okay.
Do you find me humorous?
Yeah.
Har har. Yeah, that's a good one, right?
Yeah. I'll trouble you for a sandwich. Okay. It's a freaking sandwich. Fantastic. Okay.
I would like some money, please.
No.
But I shall return another day.
Okay. Goodbye. I do.
Just passing.
Just passing through, and I thought you might like some magic. Anything could happen, sure. Crap. My apologies. Guess the spell turned out to be evil. No, thank you.
Oh, hi. Hello. I'm serial number LD3.4CCC. Can you fix me?
Yeah.
Thanks. And I am become fixed.
Okay. Wow. I'm not doing good. This is growing and people are happy. This one person, yeah.
Ooh, might I borrow some gold for the new juggling balls?
True.
Ooh, very good.
Alright.
Hello, friend. Yes. Care to gaze into my vampire crystal?
Sure. Okay, I need to stop this.
I see death and misery.
I should not do this. Oh, hi. It's just staring at me. Does it want something? Yeah? What just happened? I feel lucky. Yeah. I got stuff. Nice.
I'd like to build a new granary.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Alright. We should go around to open our borders. Sure. That was good. Ooh, hey, money. Nice. Look at that. We're doing good. Population's going up, wealth's going up. I have to do this so soon. Yeah, one new person. Nice. Oh. Good day, sir. Do you require any haunting services for a small place that scares some people? Nah. Very well, very well. I don't need to piss people off. That's my job. No friend guarantees. I'm gonna try, yes. Yeah. I'm for dude, just give me like $50. Or gold or whatever you want to call it. So. Yeah. I'd agree. She's best. Oh, I do. And cake, yeah. Yes, Gordon Freeman. Just kidding, Morgan Freeman. Gordon Freeman. He's Gordon Freeman. He's Morgan Freeman. Get that mixed up. Why? Alright, Morgan Freeman. Have fun. Blacksmith! Record profits. I'll just give you something as thanks. Sure. Very good, very good. Nice. Nice. Why did I call Morgan Freeman Gordon Freeman? Yeah, why? Still confused. Why? Sorry. Squid is a mouse, which isn't. Nah. Squid seems happy. Okay, cool. Wow. Hello, Satan. Making a deal. Should people. No, dude, I'm fine. Get you next time. No. Oh. Some refugees have arrived in town. Should we welcome them? Yeah. I'm the opposite of Donald Trump, dude. Very good. Not bad. Construction Tavern. Yeah. A couple hundred. Here's the thing, it's a tavern, and a lot of people would be happy. Then again, I'd be broke as heck. So, okay. Why not? Yay, beer. Woo! Let's see how 46. Nice.
I returned from my quest to great bounty treasure is ours, Lord.
Okay. Nice. Did you steal from the guy I gave the money to? Seems like it. Yeah, it's gonna draw on the tavern.
Bro, what?
We're starting.
Yes!
So then the rest of it. Why would we have them free? Hey, Grandma. You're gonna open up a soup shop.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Oh, wow, that's nice. Some soup and soda square. Nice. Nice. Hello, Blacksmith. Would you like to purchase any swords? Yeah. That's a great idea. I agree. Oh. Couldn't have done anything, so that's being followed. I was being followed. Too risky. Did you see anything follow me out of the castle? No? I suspect as much. Very suspicious. Dude, I'm limited. Hi, Drummer Dude.
Really getting into it, are you?
Yep. Why does that benefit me? Oh, yay. People are getting some drunk up people. Whatever. She's happy. Pineapple traders after a gift. After a gift? Sure. Oh, I thought I was doing pineapple. No, it's fine. I got gold noise.
Bonjour, my name is Madame Eville.
Will you have me?
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful Avengers. I agree.
Mom says I need to ask your permission.
If she's not flat out saying no, then alright, whatever. Okay, if I can get you up. Oh yeah, people are buying. That's awesome. Hi, there, work in the garden. Please? Yeah. Sounds good. I'm so glad. Got my people back. Yeah. The population went down, happiness went down, but I got money. I'm a bad king. Oh, you seem best. Cake. Yeah, dude. Everybody loves cake. Everybody. Make you cakes. See you later. Alright, cool. Cool. Guys, confiscated some gold that I found. Can I have it back? No. Keeping it up. Found it. Shame on him. Oh, hey, Satan. Hey, bud. Come to me. Let's give you a bunch of gold tails. Take a bunch of your pupils. Oh. Next time. You never make deals with demons. No listens. Hey, I'm Blacksmith. Sales have brought the right profits. Give you something. You accept it? Yeah, sure. Thank you. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. See ya.